There is so much about space, our solar system and the galaxy that we still don't know. Space is vast. With billions of galaxies, stars, and planets in our own solar system yet to be fully explored or understood. However, there are some really cool things we know about space right now. There's a lot to wonder about space. The fact is we don't know all the answers about it. We know it's vast and beautiful, but we're not really sure how vast or how beautiful it is. So let's find out some of the most amazing facts about space. Number 1. Space is completely silent. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there is no atmosphere in the vacuum of space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Number 2. The Sun is so dense that it accounts for a whopping 99% of the mass of our entire solar system. That's what allows it to dominate all of the planets gravitationally. Technically, our Sun is a G-type main sequence star, which means that every second, it fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen to helium. It also converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy as a byproduct. When the Sun dies, it will become a red giant and envelop the Earth and everything on it. But don't worry, that won't happen for another 5 billion years. Number 3. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Venus has an extremely slow axis rotation that takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full cycle. Funny enough, it takes Venus even less time in Earth days in order to complete one revolution around the Sun. Furthermore, the Sun rises every 117 Earth days, which means that the Sun will rise only 2 times during each year. Since Venus also rotates clockwise, the Sun will rise in the west and set in the east. Number 4. Astronauts' footprints on the Moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Since the Moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there's no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts' mark on the Moon. That means their footprints, rover prints, spaceship prints, and discarded materials will stay preserved on the Moon for a very long time. They won't stay on there forever, though. The Moon's still a dynamic environment. It's actually being constantly bombarded with micrometeorites, which means that erosion is still happening on the Moon, just very slowly. Number 5. Jupiter has at least 79 moons. Not only the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter also has the most moons in its orbit. So far, scientists have discovered 79 moons, including the biggest one in the solar system, Ganymede, with a diameter of 5,268 kilometers. Number 6. Saturn would float in water. Hypothetically, that's true. Saturn's less dense than water, which means that, if put in a very large bowl of water, it would float. However, as Saturn is a gaseous planet, placing it in water would probably just dissolve the gases and its small rocky center would sink to the bottom of the bowl.